Hey everybody, Austin here, Speedy Vinyl. So today I want to do a video for you guys to show you how to properly layer Easyweed and glitter is what we're going to be doing today, but this will really work for layering any HTV that you're doing. A lot of times I'll see people overpress things and it kind of feels like it's unnatural, but I'm going to show you the correct way to do it to help you eliminate overpressing, which will in the future make your garments last longer. Things will hopefully not peel at all. They really shouldn't be if you're doing it the correct way. So let me show you guys a little bit how to do that. Today we're going to be pressing it on. I've got our little mini Siser t-shirts here. And let me get my HTV here. So we're going to get all set up and then we'll be right back. So we got everything set up. Heat press is warmed up. Today we're going to be pressing at 315. So Siser, today we're going to be doing, and I'll explain why. So we're going to be doing Easyweed and Glitter. We're going to be layering glitter on top of Easyweed. Now a little sidebar. Glitter has to be the top layer. You cannot layer on top of glitter. And the reason is because the glitter has a texture to it. After you've pressed it, you can actually feel, that grit. So what happens is if you press Easyweed or anything on top of it, you're going to have little air gaps in between. It's not going to seal. So when the garment gets washed or whatever, it's going to cause it to peel up. Things are going to be able to get underneath it, little fibers and debris and etc. So make sure that your glitter is always the top layer, okay? So now what we're going to do is we've got our Easyweed here, Silver EasyWeed. So now we've got, like I said, we've got our little shirt here, and I'm going to adjust the camera here a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Got my press here. So we're going to go ahead and preheat the garment for just a couple of seconds, okay? Just get it warmed up, and then we're going to take our Easyweed and we're going to put that on the center there, okay? So now here is where a lot of people overpress. When you do this first layer, you only need to go for about 3 seconds, okay? And it's just, see, that's off. So that was a 3-second press. And now our Easyweed's on there. The reason you do that is so that you don't overpress and end up forcing the adhesive through the shirt. Okay, so now we've got our glitter here, okay? This is rose gold glitter. And we're going to line it up on the shirt. There we go. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do a full press. So this is going to help all of the adhesive set from both materials, okay? So that you're not overpressing it, but you still want to make sure that you get enough press time on it that it seats. So we'll peel our glitter liner off, and bam. That's how you properly layer Siser products in general. That'll work for pretty much any material that you're using. This is the correct method, okay? Normally I press at about 310. You can go, so glitter is 320. You really only need to go 10 or 15 seconds total. So if you're doing multiple layers, more than 2, I would suggest maybe, do your first 2 to get it to transfer. So do your first 3-second presses, get your HTV, your bottom layers down first, and then maybe let the garment cool off a little bit, and then do your final press with your glitter or whatever that you're putting on top, so that you don't overpress. Because what will happen if you overpress is basically you end up forcing the adhesive through the shirt all the way. So, and then what happens is there's nothing left to hold the HTV on there, and your HTV peels, falls off in the washer or whatever. So there's how to properly layer EasyWeed. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for the last push on the subscribers to win that Cricut. That person's very excited. We will do another giveaway. I think we're going to give away, I'd like to give away a maker next. But leave us a comment, let us know what you guys think. Be on the lookout for more videos. Sorry that we've kind of been on hiatus the last couple of weeks with the holidays, and then our family has like everybody's birthday all together. So it's been a busy couple of weeks, so I apologize that there hasn't been more videos. But we're going to try and do a lot more tutorials for you guys to help you guys become expert crafters. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate it. If you have comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Check out all the other videos that we have. And as always, thank you guys so much for being part of the Speedy Vinyl family. If you ever have questions, please reach out. If you need custom work or anything like that, go to our website, check us out. You can email us at speedyvinylshop@gmail.com. Or if you have custom work, you can email me directly at customwork@speedyvinylshop.com. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day.